Welcome sa Sipnayan.com. In this video, itutuloy natin yung ating series on laws of exponents. No? So, ito yung mga napag-aralan natin sa previous videos. No? So, pag meron tayong dalawang magkaparehong expression, tapos pareho yung base, or sorry, hindi siya magkaparehong expression. Expression na pareho yung base, tapos yung i-multiply natin sila and merong exponent, we have to add the exponent. No? And pag i-divide naman natin, pag mas malaki yung exponent sa numerator kaysa sa denominator, i-minus lang natin siya. No? And on the other hand, kung mas malaki naman yung denominator kaysa sa numerator, yung exponent, so it should be the reciprocal of this one. No? So, hindi ko na masyadong i-detalye dito kasi na-discuss ko na yun sa previous videos. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is to apply these laws. No? Kung ano mga possible strategies gamit ang mga laws na to para makapag-solve tayo ng mga exercises or mga problems. No? So number one, we have x raised to the 8th power over x cubed. No? So of course, pwede natin gamitin itong pangalawa. No? Mas malaki yung numerator o yung exponent sa numerator kaysa sa exponent sa denominator. So we can write x raised to 8 minus 3, which is equal to x raised to the 5th. No? Well, pwede nyo ring gawin to. No? Ang x to the 8 by the first rule of first law is equal to x to the x cubed. No? Paparisan nyo yung nasa baba times x to the 5th. No? Para pwede kayo mag-cancel. Divided by x cubed. So x cubed times x to the 5th is equal to x to the 8 by this law, no? But pwede tayo mag-cancel dito. We divide both the numerator and the denominator by x cubed. So x cubed divided by x cubed is equal to 1. X cubed divided by x cubed is equal to 1. And then we have 1 times x to the 5th yung ating numerator, which is equal to x to the 5th, and yung ating denominator ay 1. So, x to the 5th divided by 1 is x to the 5th. Magtataka kayo, bakit hindi ko na kinancel to, no? Magkakaproblema kasi minsan nakakalimutan nagiging 0 siya, no? So, mas maganda lagyan nyo ng 1 sa numerator at lagyan nyo ng 1 sa denominator. We divided both the numerator and the denominator by x cubed. No? Para tayo naglo-lowest terms. No? For example, 4 over 8. No? Pag ni-lowest terms mo yan, you divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. No? So ito, we divide the numerator and the denominator by the same expression. In this case, ang expression na yun ay x cubed. Okay, so I hope malinaw. We're actually reducing the division. No? Number 2, we have y raised to the 7th over y raised to 10th power. So by this law, no, this is equal to y, it's 1 over y. Ang n dito, mas malaki sa m, no? Mas malaki yung nasa baba. So, minus natin yung mas maliit kaysa from the larger. No? So, that's 10 minus 7. Yung n natin ay 10 at yung m natin ay 7. So, this is equal to 1 over y cubed. Again, di mo naman kailangan mag-memorize itong law kasi pwede mong i-break up katulad nito. Pwede natin paghiwalayin yung y to the 10th. So y raised to the 7th over y raised to the 10th power is the same as y to the 7th tapos y cubed times y to the 7th. So dapat laging paparisan natin yung mas maliit, no, para pwede tayo mag-cancel. And again, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by y to the 7th. We get 1 here. And then, doon yung ating numerator ay 1. No? Ang problema kasi dito, kaya nilalagyan natin ng 1. Kasi halimbawa, wala nang matira dito, wala rin natira sa taas dahil nag-cancel tayo, naubos siya lahat. Yung mga ibang estudyante, ginagawa nila 0, but actually 1 yun. Kaya mas maganda to, masanay kayo, at least hindi kayo malilito. No? So our denominator is 1, and then y cubed times 1 is y cubed. So ito yung sagot natin, which is the same as the answer here. No? Number 3, we have negative 16m to the 11th power divided by 24m to the 4th. So pag may numerical coefficient naman tayo, may numbers tayo, mas maganda na hiwalayin natin yung mga numbers. No? So negative 16 over 24 times m to the 11th over m to the 4th power. So the reason for this is that a over b times c over d is actually equal to a c times b. So ibig sabihin, pag meron tayong dalawang fractions, we can multiply the numerator and then we can multiply the denominator. So pareho siya dito. Pwede rin natin siyang pag-iwalayin. No? Dito magkasama kasi sila. Pinag-iwalay natin. No? Okay, so what is negative 16 over 24? Pwede tayong pwede tayong lowest terms. We divide both the numerator and the denominator by 8. So that's negative 2, no? Negative 16 divided by 8 is negative 2. And then 24 divided by 8 is 3. And then yung m to the 11 minus 4, no? By this law. So we have negative 2 over 3 times m to the 7th, which is equal to negative 2/3 m to the 7th. Now, by the way, kaya usually pag may negative tayo sa numerator or sa denominator, sa final answer natin, ginigitna na natin yun, no? Tinatapat natin siya sa equal sign at saka fraction bar. No? So, pareho lang naman yun, negative 2 over 3, tapos or negative 2/3 or 2 over negative 3, tsaka negative 2/3, pareho lang yan. No? So, it's either nandito yung negative, o nasa gitna. Pare-pareho lang yan. Pero usually, sa final answer ito na. Although pareho din naman, tama din naman to. No? Okay, last number, we have we have 6a raised to the 12th power. I think this is number 4. B raised to the 3rd power divided by negative 3 a raised to the 4th power and b raised to the 9th power. Okay. So again, we separate yung numbers. So 6 divided by negative 3 times, syempre magkaparehong variables, sama rin natin a to the 12th over a to the 4th, no? And then times b cubed over b to the 9th. Now, question pa paano pala pag may c dito? So, lalagay na natin c over 1. No? O kaya pag may d sa baba, 1 over d. No? Siguro magkakaroon tayo ng ganyang example sa sunod na video. So, this is equal to negative 2. 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. And this becomes a to the 12th minus 4 by this law. And yung b cubed times b to the 9th power over b to the 9th power, this is b cubed over b cubed times b to the 6th. No? So, makakancel yan, magiging 1. This becomes negative 2a raised to the 8th times 1 over b to the 6th. No? Which is equal to, dito na siguro tayo sa baba, which is equal to, syempre, pag wala namang pag full number siya or hindi naman siya fraction, pwede tayong maglagay ng over 1. No? Pwede tayong negative 2 over 1, a raised to the 8 over 1, sorry. But pwede nang sabay, no? Kasi pag nag 1 times 1 tayo sa baba, 1 pa rin yun. So, pwede na natin isabay. So, that is negative 2a raised to the 8th power times 1, yung ating numerator. So, that's negative 2a raised to the 8th. And then 1 times b6 b to the 6, no? b6. 1 times b to the 6 is b to the 6. And again, pag may negative tayo, usually nilalagay natin sa gitna. So 2a raised to the 8th power divided by b raised to the 6th power. Ito na yung pinakasagot natin. Okay, so I hope meron kayo natutunan dito sa video na to, no? Yung applications nitong tatlong rules natin, and of course, other ways of solving. No? So sa susunod na videos, we will have more examples and more laws. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating Facebook page, no? facebook.com/sipnayanph, and our YouTube channel, no? Mag-ano lang kayo, mag-search lang kayo kung anong gusto niyo topic. Kahit sa YouTube, no, kahit wala kayo sa channel, lagay niyo na Sipnayan and then the topic that you want to search, no. Kasi pag meron niya, lalabas naman yan. For example, Sipnayan laws of exponents, lalabas naman yan. Okay, so I'll see you in the next tutorial.